This video will show you how to change the printhead in your Magicard 600 printer. Firstly, power off your printer by pressing the button beneath Off on the home screen. You will be asked if you are sure. Select Yes. The display will say Shutting down. Disconnect the power supply by removing the cable from the rear of the printer. Open the lid to the printer. You'll see the printhead attached to the chassis cover. Remove the die film. Unclip the static drain wire. Push the printhead back so it can slide up and out of the housing. Carefully unclip the printhead cable as shown. Take the new printhead and remove it from its packaging. Then firmly reattach the printhead cable. Slide the printhead back into its housing. And finally, clip the static drain wire back into place. Take the printhead calibration programmer that came with your new printhead and place it in the rear die film roller slot as shown. Close the lid and reattach the power supply and wait for the printer to power on. The printer will initialize before returning to the main menu. Open the lid. Remove the printhead calibration programmer and put the die film back in place. Close the lid. The printer will initialize again and return to the main menu to continue use.